Samsung has opened a new HVAC manufacturing plant in Pune, built to cool AI data centers. And it's stepping straight into a market where India's own Blue Star and Voltas are racing to build the exact same thing, but on their own terms. And you know what's been always on its own terms? Cypher. Yes, back in its 10th edition, making it India's biggest AI summit and expo. IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, makes it bigger than ever. 500 plus speakers, yes, all luminaries from the AI and tech ecosystem. We have 150 plus demonstrations every day, over 3 days. Expo, networking opportunities, and the who's who of the AI and tech ecosystem shall be there on this one particular wonderful platform for 3 days. October of this year, venue is KTPO, being Uluru. So, well, if you're very serious about your AI and tech, you know where to be. IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026. Now back to Samsung Electronics. Now, Samsung Electronics held the opening ceremony on the 12th of August for a new facility operated by Flucht Group, the German HVAC specialist Samsung acquired in November of 2025 for roughly 1.5 billion euro, about $1.7 billion. Now, this is Flucht Group's first new manufacturing facility to come online since that acquisition closed. And it builds on an existing Flucht Group plant already running in Greater Noida, meaning Pune is Samsung's second such facility in India. EVP Cholgi Kim, head of Samsung's digital appliance business, framed the strategy as this, and I quote, "By combining Samsung's AI and platform technologies with Flucht Group's HVAC expertise, we will deliver exceptional value to a diverse range of customers, including AI data centers," end quote. Now, the numbers which are backing this up is something like this. A roughly 13,826 square meter facility that moved from equipment installation to full mass production in just 6 months, with planned capacity scaling up to 6,500 HVAC units a year. The product line is specific to data center cooling, air handling units which use chilled water to manage indoor air, fan wall units using multiple high-capacity fans to pull heat out of server rooms, and computer air handlers providing precision temperature and humidity control for mission-critical IT equipment. But here's why Samsung is willing to pay this much to get into HVAC. India's installed data center capacity is projected to cross 2 gigawatts just this year, up from just over 1 gigawatt. And industry forecasts point to a 5-fold jump, which is past 8 gigawatts by 2030. Now, every gigawatt of AI compute needs a matching investment in cooling. Samsung isn't just selling air conditioners here, it's positioning Flucht Group as critical infrastructure for the entire AI build-out across India and the wider Asia-Pacific region. Worth comparing, of course, how differently the incumbents are approaching this same opportunity. And I'm, of course, pointing towards Blue Star's own MD, B. Tyagarajan, who has said that the company doesn't need external collaboration to develop its own data center chillers and cooling distribution units. A deliberate in-house bet. Then we have Voltas. Voltas is taking a more selective route, leaning on a new technology partner alliance specifically for centrifugal chillers, while pitching itself as the faster, lower risk option. A lot of competition. Anyway, where there is none, competition that is on the front page take. Now, Samsung, a company built on semiconductors and consumer electronics, is now aiming for a factory on the fact that every GPU cluster in Asia needs somewhere to dump its heat. India's data center cooling market alone is worth about $2.99 billion in 2026. It is forecasted to nearly triple to $9.28 billion by 2031. So is this year's cluster of announcements a new AI strategy? That's the question actually. Or the same subsidy chasing pattern wearing this year's buzzword, which is AI data center. Is it the cooling? Is it something else? Well, you take your pick. Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe. And always remember, think AI, think AIM.